I'm finding out.
Hey, what you just say?
He said smoking on giraffe. This nigga be at home.
No, I'm talking about before that. You said you never thought you would see a what?
Oh, I said I never thought that in the history, cause this nigga right here, he's swallowing. Hold on, where the muffin at? He swallowed this bitch.
Whole muffins, nigga.
Whole. Okay.
Nigga, a hooker on Saginaw, nigga done lost their motherfucking job.
You know
nigga.
it's bad.
And
You
he
know.
got hired, nigga. The hookers on
You
motherfucking.
know we in a recession when hookers don't got no more motherfucking jobs because of this nigga right here. He taking all the old jobs.
Hookers getting paid $250.
You know, they used to get paid $5. They up there like some, that's fucked up. I gotta go retire, get my pension and shit because this motherfucker here, you know, I ain't getting paid like I used to. You know what I'm saying?
Because this
I used to
motherfucker
get $5. I used to get $5 from my pimp. Now he give me $250. I'm mad as a motherfucker.
Nigga mad as hell, nigga. I'm just mad as fuck, nigga.
No hope. They got no more money. They got no more money all because of this nigga.
You saying the girls come to you to ask how you swallow golf ball size?
You know. They come to him. They come to him for their man. That's what it is. They come to him for their man.
Hey, but we know what it is, nigga. This nigga went over there to the Chinese people and shit. They taught this nigga some shit. They turned him the fuck out. You know what I'm saying?
The Chinese people taught y'all shit.
That's what. Yeah, we the Beijing king, nigga. We the Beijing king. We learned the art of. Well, I learned the art of fucking goats.
Nigga, I'm from the Red Hat district, nigga, where we throw racks in people's asses and shit.
Asses though?
Nigga, asses, nigga.
What hood you claim?
Nigga, I'm Eastside Tokyo, nigga.
Shit.